Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI and I just finished washing my face. I love using this BeautyCounter Control Clear Pore Cleanser. If you have oily skin like me, you're gonna love this. I love the gel consistency. It feels so good on your skin. There's tiny little beads that do some exfoliation, but it's not rough on your skin at all. And this bottle will last you such a long time because a little bit goes a long way. I also love the quality of the ingredients. It has really clean ingredients, which is really important to me. So if you're in the market for a clean cleanser, this is the one for you. If you have oily skin especially, this is so helpful. It leaves your skin feeling like new. And I love that it has really great ingredients. So I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.